So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download MSI ZenFox RTX 507012G Saturn 3X OS. Okay, how to download driver. So open any browsers to type like that. So go to first URL which is msci.com. Then click to support. So you can see there are two type drivers showing here, just automatic and this second is manual. So try to first automatic, you just click to, and then second is manual. So you can try after if getting some error in the automatic process. So click to download. So it will detect download the NVIDIA app. Then click to yes. So you can see now this is trying to install the driver, and then next to install it will complete. After that restart your system. If you getting some error, so try to in the automatic process, so just try to manual driver. Then click to search, it will show automatically. Select operating system Windows 10, 11 and Linux which is using. Just click to search. Okay, you can see this gaming driver and all like that. So if you are using like gaming purpose, so try to this one. If you have studio and normal use, so you can use this one. Okay, just download. After it will double click to next to install, then restart your system. Thank you. So install to manual, so just click to sim manual. It will show the model number. Okay, and select operating system which is using Windows 10 and 11. After that click to search. So you can see this is two type driver, which is gaming ready driver and second studio. Okay, so just click to download. After that next to install it. Okay, all the driver installations process same, just click to download like that. It will start automatically. Okay, after that click to download now. You can see this downloading. So after 4 to 5 minutes will complete it. I show you how to download. Okay, after that it is completed, just single click. Then this is NVIDIA packet launcher, then click to yes, then click to OK. Now this is extracting to data your system for the download the driver. This is process of the manual. Now this is detect your driver and next one install after, then restart your system. Okay, this is 5 step to complete. Thank you.